exercise. He's not kissing this. Kiss the bird, make the birdie sing. Kiss the bird. There you go. Okay, now I want you to hold the bird up. Hold the bird up and turn it around. Turn it around. And see if you have a boy or a girl bird. See if you have a boy or a girl. Check it out. Really check it out. The nose is anonymous. Okay, who's got a boy bird? Who's got a boy bird? Person I'm touching now. How do you know it's a boy?
Because it has a penis.
Very good. I knew it was an animal. Who's got a girl? Anybody got a girl? I'm afraid to ask. Okay.
I'm afraid to ask.
All right, hold the bird out now. Hold the bird out. The bird is stuck to your finger and it's got diarrhea. Ah, check it off. Rub it on the person next to you. Oh, icky, icky. Ah. Okay, forget about it. Forget about you. All cleaned up. And sleep. Sleep. Way down deep. Just the person I'm touching now. You just move over a couple seats to the left. Just the person I'm touching. There you go. One more big guy. There you go. Okay. All right, everybody. Sit up straight. Now, besides being a stage hypnotist, I'm an airline pilot for Southwest Airlines. You're going to be my co-pilot, right? Nod your head. You're going to be my co-pilot, right? Okay. Now, put on your earphones. Get your earphones on. Get your seatbelt on. Check those controls. There we go. All right, take the wheel. Take the wheel now. Here we go. Going down the runway. Taking off. Up. 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 10,000 feet. 20,000 feet. 30,000 feet. Okay, level off. Level off, level off. There you go, level off. Really into that. Okay, hard back to the left, left, left. Hard turn to the left, left. There we go. Hard turn to the right, 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 right. Okay, straighten out, straighten out. Turbulence, turbulence shaking, turbulence, turbulence shaking. Okay, now take it down to about 200 feet. Here we go, 200 feet. Okay, now press the button, automatic pilot. Okay. Look out the window now. There's a volleyball game going on down there. And it's in the nude. They're playing volleyball in the nude. Whoa. Person I'm touching now, how's it look down there?
Looks great.
The person I'm touching now, how's it look down there? I'd say. Okay, all right, the plane's landing. We're landing in the plane. We're landing in the plane. We're back at the park.
Oh, Libya, that's...
Now, I bet you'd like to go on a roller coaster ride. This roller coaster is the safest, most fun roller coaster you could ever imagine.
No.
Now reach down between your feet, grab your safety helmet, put your safety helmet on, strap it on there, nice and tight, that's it. Okay, bring down the shoulder harness, bring down that shoulder harness, here we go. Okay, hold on now, hold on, here we go. Hold on, going up.
I almost dropped my phone.
Up, 100 feet, 200 feet.